Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick Expert Reviews. Today we've got the GOOVIS Art AR video glasses, actually OLED AR video glasses. So this review unit comes with an couple of extra bits and bobs, like for example this HDMI to Type-C power adapter. So for example, if you've got a MacBook or a gaming console, you can usually connect just via Type-C directly to GOOVIS Art. However, if you've got an older style laptop that has a full-blown HDMI port, you can use that adapter as well. So as you can see, Type-C to Type-C, or you can use an adapter as well, but then you need to power the adapter itself. Now we also have this nice carrying case as well, and when you go on the GOOVIS website, that you do have the link in the video description below, you will see that there are a couple of different packages: cinema package, luxury bundle, power hub bundle, and so on. So this is, for example, a Android TV box, which is interesting considering the size, isn't it? Like, look how small it is and how pocket friendly as well. Now you do get a manual, obviously, with it in a couple of different languages on how to connect everything. I will show you in a second via a picture as well. Comes with a remote, so the remote actually is a pocket friendly, as is the portable stream media player, which is nice, small, but it does have additional shortcuts for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and so on. And then this is the actual portable streaming system. So you just attached this, and then you've got the HDMI port on one side, and then you've got the Type-C on the other, and then you connect that using the supplied HDMI adapter. So that's that. And then last but not least, we've got this extra comfy cushion, which, to be honest, I've swapped it straight away, and it's that easy to do with the supplied one. And yeah, it's working really good because you can adjust the tightness as well to your liking around your head. Now let's have a look at the actual GOOVIS Art AR headset, because it is a nice premium device, and to be honest, I am blown away after using it for quite some time. I'm absolutely blown away. Obviously, you've got the standard paperwork on how to connect the device, how to use it, and so on, which I will show you in a second as well. A Type-C to Type-A cable and a Type-C to Type-C cable. So this is the cable you connect to GOOVIS Art, and then you connect it to your device if your device supports video out via Type-C. It's also very lightweight, weighing it at only 110 grams and very highly adjustable to your liking. So you've got precise myopia adjustment, this wheel on the side on both right and left lens from 0 to 3.5D. You've got a very wide range IPD adjustment at the very front as well, 58 to 74 millimeters, which I will show you in a second as well. You can lock it as well. You can adjust the volume because it's got a built-in speakers, but you can obviously connect headphones. You can adjust the brightness, and it even has a 3D button. So if you've got any 3D content, you can actually watch this using this GOOVIS AR headset. It's amazing. It's got two OLED panels, 60 Hz, 1080p. However, they are OLED, and they give you about 110-inch display altogether when connected. So I mean, believe me or not, but it's absolutely amazing. It's stunning, the OLED panels. It's such a nice device, especially considering how pocket friendly and lightweight it is as well. And you've got this adjustable band as well, obviously for your comfort. And now I'm going to show you the IPD adjustment. So as you can see, you can slide that to the left, to the right. You know, when you go to the optics to have your eyes checked and so on, and they adjust that, you can do that as well in here. And believe me, it works a treat. And these are the myopia adjustment wheels, like I've showed you before as well. And obviously you can lock it as well, so it doesn't slide left, right, and what's not. You can adjust it to your liking as well. As you can see, it doesn't move left or right, and it is glasses friendly as well, so you can wear your glasses if you need that to watch any content. So for example, you've got a MacBook and you've got a monitor and you need to use a second screen, but you move somewhere where you don't have your monitor because your monitor obviously doesn't fit in your bag. So all you do is, Fruzia is my very helpful assistant in the video. All you do is basically connect a Type-C to your MacBook. And it's nice how Fruzia is covering the Apple logo. And then you put it on, and that's it. You've got a second screen. You literally do not need a second monitor. You now have a dual monitor setup. Well, dual monitor laptop is the first screen, and obviously GOOVIS Art is the second screen. Now, the good thing is that it doesn't cover your eyes completely, so you can have your second screen on your eyes, and obviously still can see, if you want to, your monitors. You can see, I'm gonna zoom in a bit just to show you that. And here we go. I've got my second desktop from my Mac, and I can obviously move my Excel spreadsheet between both windows as well. So I'm moving it between Mac and GOOVIS, as you can see in here. So yeah. And it's literally just a case of plugging them in. They do not require charging. There is no battery. All you do is plug them in via Type-C. That's it, voila. And then obviously when you finished working, all you can do is game or watch movies. So I'm connected to MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, but it works with anything else. Steam Deck, Switch, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Steam Deck, did I mention Steam Deck? ROG Ally X, Legion Go, whatever device that supplies a display through Type-C will work. So as you can see, I'm trying to sort of cover it so you can see how amazing it looks. And yeah, just waiting for the colors to show up. We're gonna play Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced because obviously we're still waiting for GTA 6, and yeah, voila, we're in game. Literally, that's it. You just connect it, fire up the game, and that's it. And you start playing on a gorgeous 110-inch OLED panel, 1080p panel. So yeah, that's that. And then if you want to chill in the bed as well, you can do so as well. Obviously, I was playing at my desk. Now, if you're planning on gaming in your bed as well, your missus is upset at you and she basically left the bed and you're on your own. Here we go. You grab your console or a portable PC, handheld, and you just start gaming. Obviously, I've got an I haven't got an extended display. I've got a second monitor display only because there's no point in turning on the display. But it works like with any Windows device. You can extend the display, you can mirror the display, do whatever you want. And then, obviously, if you want to watch some movies, I've got my trusty Flip 7 connected. Now, it also supports Samsung DeX. So if you've got a device that supports Samsung DeX, when you plug it in, you can actually use DeX as well. Here I'm watching Dexter connected to GOOVIS Art. So yeah, absolutely amazing device, especially considering how pocket friendly it is, because you can't really fit a second monitor in your bag, as you can see. And this is only a 20-inch IPS level monitor as well, which you can't really fit in your bag. Considering that you've got a 110-inch display using your GOOVIS Art AR glasses, I think it's a pretty brilliant game changer. So yeah, absolutely highly recommended. Thanks for watching another episode of Quick Expert Reviews, and I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye!